Welcome back to the Crypto Batcave. The frequency of these videos really seems to be picking up. Today, I think it's really important to discuss the general possibility that the bear market could be ending. Now, I have publicly come out and said on YouTube that I think we were in a bear market. I think we potentially still could be in a bear market. That's actually what I still think, or at the very least, a bear market within an overarching bull market. Apology, that's my baby in the background making noise. But we have to come to terms with the possibility that perhaps that we are re-emerging into phase 2 of what was an overarching bull market amidst that recent dip, significant dip that just happened. Here we can see, and I'm going to go into why in just a moment, but look at the day. It's a green day at the moment. Bitcoin is US dollars on CoinGecko, back up to $40,000. Ethereum back to $2,856. So on and so forth. Like all of the coins are looking in the green. On the Australian exchange of my choice, it's a very much a green day out there today as well, with the growth like we haven't seen for quite some time, where the majority of the coins 24-hour change. It's a big day in the green, big day. Now again, like I'm always of the opinion not to buy when something is significantly on the rise. Don't FOMO in. Because generally speaking, rises of this magnitude are not sustainable. Although we are living in a very strange world at the moment where there are greater powers that be which are manipulating the markets and doing crazy things. But I'm talking like generally speaking, I feel like growth of this magnitude is not sustainable. For instance, just 2 nights ago, Australian time, we had, or 2 days ago roughly, we had a huge dip, which was a great entry point in some of these coins. I'll take Ethereum as an example. You look at the charts, it's in Australian dollars, but you look at the charts over the past 3 days, the past 7 days. On Monday, the 24th of May, there was a really good entry point there. We're coming back a bit now. And overall, it's been a rough ride. But I just want to quickly touch upon why potentially this the bull market could be starting to strike back. You look at an article on Cointelegraph, which has actually copped some flack recently for being part of the manipulation, covering up and so on and so forth. But you look at the news here, they're sort of proposing that a bigger crypto rally could be looming, and they're pointing the finger at some of the world's biggest influencers like Elon Musk and Saylor, and the fact that they've discussed, they've been in talks in a meeting with Bitcoin mining companies, and they've actually formed a council. And you can see, you look on Twitter at Elon Musk, he's been actually quite active on here. And the key point I want to emphasize here is that there is positive news for the first time in quite a while, much like there was with the Goldman Sachs article just the other day, which is making, which is now they've decided that Bitcoin is a new asset class. Some people are saying that is the biggest news we've ever heard for the cryptocurrency. I don't feel that strongly about it, but nonetheless, it's a positive news story for once, amidst what has been quite negative recently. But so here, this is just in the last day or so here, Elon Musk is saying that he spoke with North American Bitcoin miners. They committed to publish current and planned renewable energy usage and to ask miners WW to do so, potentially promising. So this is very interesting, and then that following on for that is a lot about Dogecoin again. May back up Dogecoin as being a really good thing. Michael Saylor here, similar thing. Where's his tweet? There was a tweet he made here all about, here we go, 17 hours ago. This weekend, some Bitcoin miners came together to talk about the energy challenges we face, both real and imagined, and work on solutions together for the good of the entire industry. So, and he's saying he was pleased to host a meeting between Elon Musk and the leading Bitcoin miners in North America. The miners have agreed to form the Bitcoin Mining Council. That's the key there that I want to emphasize, to promote energy usage and transparency and accelerate sustainable initiatives worldwide. Now, this is positive news, I think, and it's all over the news. So you can see here, it's Elon Musk says he talks to Bitcoin miners. The price has been surging. I don't know if I'd really call it surging, but nonetheless, we're starting to see some headlines coming out that are positive rather than all FUD, fear, uncertainty, and despair. There's positivity surrounding the media hype rather than it being all doom and gloom. And I think it's actually quite interesting what's going on here. I think that the fact that we've got the Bitcoin Mining Council is actually quite interesting. And they've got to report renewable energy use. So we could be seeing a shift away from fossil fuel intensive mining towards things that are renewable. Look, I wouldn't even be surprised if Elon Musk is about 10 steps ahead of everyone else, to be honest. And now what he's done, everyone's been wondering, what on earth is Elon Musk doing? Does he understand Bitcoin? Doesn't he understand it? Is he just doing it for fun? Is he just doing this for fun to see how powerful he is? I wouldn't be surprised if he's about 100 steps ahead of everyone else, and all this has just set the stage for him to swoop in and create his own sustainable Bitcoin mine using Tesla and all of his technology, or Solar City, or whatever, with all of his solar technology and his renewable energy. When you think about it, that would be interesting. So, yeah, look, I mean, you hear this. This could be, I don't think it's necessarily we've got enough on the charts at the moment. We're just here on tradingview.com. This is Bitcoin market cap, sorry. But, it doesn't look as though we've got enough here going on to necessarily say, look, we're definitely out of the bearish pattern we've been in recently. I'll just go back to CoinGecko, so I'm more interested in the price chart rather than market cap. Let's go back to the 90-day view for price. So, round figures, 65,000. We're still, and at the moment we're at, what's the price now? 39. So still a significant dip from the peak, the all-time high. But look, there is a bit of a comeback here, and this is obvious. This follows coinciding with the positive news. So it's the first bit of positive news in the crypto space for a while, really, whereby there's been a lot of fear, uncertainty, and despair. So you never know, this could be the little spark that reignites phase 2 of the bull market. So watch this space closely, and we'll check back in soon. Thank you, guys.